Are you sick of off-roading with crappy walkie-talkies that always die, always get lost, and people never give them back to you? Well, I am too. That's why today I'm going to be showing you my brand new solution to this issue, and that's going to be the Midland 15-watt Micromobile GMRS radio system. So Midland is a well-known brand. They make great stuff, and I got this at Expedition Superstore for about $170 with tax. And it is built really great, and I can talk super far with my friends, and it's gonna be so much better than having those loose walkie-talkies that you have to keep track of and always charge all the time. So, when you buy the Midland, you get this right here. This is the whole control center and the mic. So everything on here, it's everything you need to control it. And it also comes with basically the main box, and the speaker is on here, and this is where all of your wires are going to go into. The cool thing with this is you can hide this away in your car, and this is the only thing you really ever need to touch. You just need to make sure that speaker is available, and you can use your Midland. So in this particular one, it comes with this included antenna, and it's not too long, so you can just put that on your roof. It's magnetic. It also comes with a sticky one if you don't trust the magnet, but mine has not moved at all in probably the 2 weeks I've had it magnetized in this spot on my roof. So mine is just hidden right on the corner right there, and this is the only wire that's visible. So it just comes right in here, and then that is tucked away up along the side, the whole way down the side. Keeps coming along the side. You can barely see it on that corner right there, all the way across right above the door, down the weather stripping on the doors, and it actually pops out right there. And what I did is it's just hidden under there. It's duct taped on. You can't see it, it's out of sight, and it pops out right there. So that antenna is basically hidden the whole way, and it runs up the side of the seat, and I haven't mounted it yet, but it'll be right in here in my center console. It's right next to my head. I have a USB charger. The cool thing is the Midland runs right off your cigarette adapter, so you don't have to hardwire it to your battery. It's just a plug-in and it works type of thing. So since you're taking away that charging ability, and especially in my car, I only have that one way to charge my phone, I have the USB-C right on there, and that can easily just charge my phone when it's sitting on my dash. So here is the Midland turned on. Again, this is just the 15-watt model. I think the higher up models have the controls on the box. But what's cool about this is it's super simple, and it's a great beginner radio, because radios, they can get confusing, and I'm still learning a lot. But with mine, you've got very few buttons, so it's pretty easy to figure out which one does. So at the top, this is the weather. So I turn that on.
Becoming partly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15.
So that's going to tell me the weather wherever I'm at, which is super cool. These middle two buttons are your volume. So I can turn that down a bit. That was up all the way. So we're down to a 5. Right below it basically just lets you listen to the channel you're on. So right now, we're on channel 5. And it's basically filtering out all the noise. So once I hit that, that lets me just listen to whatever's going on that channel. So if you're trying to listen for something, that's really nice. Right here, this is the scan. This is going to scan through all your channels, and it'll pick up whatever it picks up on those channels. So I probably won't pick up anything because I'm in my house and I'm pretty far away from anything that's happening. But if you go down in a city, like, you pick up a bunch of random things going on. You've also got your menu, and this is how you change all your settings here. You've got a call button. The lock can either lock the radio, so it locks what settings you have in place. It's also the enter button for the menu, so easy to and when. What's nice is this is very good build quality. It is like solid in your hand, it feels high quality, and the buttons are just nice to press, so when you hit that pit button, it's just, you can hear that. It's nice. So on the top, you've got down channels, up channels, and the power button right in the middle. And that's all the controls you've got. Super simple, and the range is amazing, and I have the stock little antenna. And I'm gonna show the box as well. So this is fully metal, it's really good build quality. I was gonna use these to stick them on my car, just an adhesive mount. And they bring you with, or it comes with some screws. I just didn't want to screw mine into my car, but if you have a permanent spot, then yeah, you can screw it. And obviously you've got your USB-C, that's your first plug-in. And around back, you've got your power and your antenna, and that's it. That's just an easy box. The speakers are right on the bottom, and mine's just going to be hidden away in my center console like that. And I'm gonna hide my wires down here so you can't even see them. So, pretty simple. So, super simple install. I don't have to deal with those pesky walkie-talkies, charging them, losing them, forgetting how many you have, etc., etc. There's a lot happening with those, and that's a solid thing that's not gonna be lost. The range is better. I can do whatever I want with it. I have so many more options, and it's pretty cool too. Awesome build quality, totally worth the money. And if you're looking for an even better one, Midland makes many other radios, like their 30 watt, and they have a lot of high wattage ones that you can actually install with bigger antennas. If you're really looking for that maximum range, you can talk like tens of 20 miles, like very far. So I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.